Hey, and what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the Farm Dream. My name is Raymond and today we're looking into spring onion. It is one of my favorites to add to many different dishes. So let's start growing. You can start spring onions as early as February inside or in a greenhouse. They are hardy plants, so they can resist cold weather and frost, but that of course does slow down the growth process. You can also sow them in late August to get a harvest in April. They don't need any protection from the winter weather. Now for the seeding, we're gonna fill up some trays with compost and gonna add about 4 to 6 seeds per cell. You can also go all the way up to 10 and they will grow just fine. The onions do need quite a lot of nutrition, so make sure the soil blocks are big enough. 4 centimeters is a good way to go. Now let's give them a nice splash of water and put them in the windowsill. Now I've sown these in March and we transplanted them in April, so about 4 weeks. We get a dibber or use our hands to make a little hole in the soil and then put our block with spring onions in there. From my experience, I've noticed they take the transplanting shock better when done rather early. Put them about 4 inches or 10 centimeters apart. Now you can also directly sow them outside by just creating a hole every 4 to 6 inches or 10 to 15 centimeters and putting 6 to 8 seeds in there. Give them a good water and they will germinate just fine. We water the plants quite a bit because the roots are quite shallow. You can prevent them from drying out by adding some mulch on top. Now after 10 weeks and a bit of weeding, we have some great spring onions to harvest. And because we put a lot of them in a clump, we can just take out the ones that are ready to harvest. It's really simple. Give it a little twist and a pull, shake them down, and there you have it. If you want a continuous harvest throughout spring and summer, you need to plant them about 3 weeks apart. Now you might be able to tell that we have a few funny looking spring onions in here. And these are ones that we already harvested and then cut off. Put in a little bit of water, let it stand for a few days, and then put back into the soil. They will regrow to become full spring onions once again. And there you have it, all you need to know to start growing your own spring onions. If you like this video, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and don't forget to live the farm dream.